guys, it's Jerry Metal Bandit Taggly. I'm out here in Long Island, New York, and I have a special car for you guys. Make sure you stay and watch this video. It's an awesome car, and it's very rare. Like and share this video, subscribe to the channel. Guys, any Pontiac owner is going to love watching this video. So guys, check out this. So what do you got here, John?
Oh, 1978 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am. What happened was from 77 to mid-78 with the mid-gear change with the tops, Fisher tops. So it came the car really rare. They only made 68 of these cars back in 1978. Haven't think of floating around now. Maybe 10, and I have one of them. Took me 12 years to find the car. I didn't want to get buyer's remorse, okay? Maybe if you show me 150, I might sell it to you, okay? When the car first came out back in the day with the bird on the hood, I said, what person buys a car with a bird on the hood? 40 years later, right here, I bought the car back 12 years ago. It took me 12 years to find the car, and here we are. 1970 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am. And they only made 68 of these. Thank you.
Well, guys, he does have a SE here, Bandit edition. They did take the 6.6 liter out, but they did put a 455 in here. They do have the original motor. But guys, my friend Benny's working on the car right now with Jim, doing a little few upgrades to it, and they have to go. You know, they want to get it done before the spring comes. But they're going through the car. Some things need to be tweaked out, but this is an awesome car, very rare, Bandit edition, 78 Trans Am SE. We're going to take more videos of this car too. Guys, like and share this video, subscribe to the channel.
So, Ben, am I getting the part new, or am I getting the part from him to handle?
If you can get it locally, I would get it locally.
Fine, okay.
Yeah. Remember,
Then we gotta do, you gotta rock this closed, and when you come close, you snap it. Because the hole in the hood
but don't close.
is a weak spot. Right. I think you know that.
Look at that bird.
I'll explain. Yeah.
I'll try to get on this side. Wow, guys, this is an awesome car.
Beauty.
So, Benny, what are you going to be doing it to today? You and Jim?
Well, we uncovered some issues with the door locks, the power windows. They started some aftermarket mess, and now we're trying to correct it. And as we're trying to correct it, we're finding more issues. So one being the pin switch for the door lights up the glove box light instead of the dome light. And then there's an aftermarket alarm. So we have to get rid of the aftermarket and put in factory stuff so things work correctly. And another issue, we were trying to get this blower motor to work for the air conditioning and the heat, and we had to pull out the wheel well. Come to find out, whoever assembled this car didn't take the time to put the ground wire onto the blower motor. To access this blower motor, you could only go through the wheel well. So we had to pull the wheel well out. You can't even see it from here. You'd have to like light it up and stuff. And it's just like a lot of little things, you know, like the wipers were wrong. So you're supposed to have low profile wipers. The wipers that were on here were too tall for the hood. So we called Ames Performance, and they had the correct wipers, and we installed those. Another issue was
Not a sponsor.
the cowl to seal was incorrect. We corrected that situation. So you just keep chipping away. That's what we do. Jim's messing around with the electrical right now.
And Benny, you work on cars in Queens. You want to give anybody your phone number, the name of the your phone number and your business?
Yeah, I mean, right now it's just a hobby until we get under another roof. But we do hobby stuff. So yeah, at any time it's 347-239-1324.
Benny's a master in Jim with Mopars. I love Mopars. They redo a lot of Mopars for people in the neighborhood.
Pontiacs.
And Pontiacs as
Pontiacs,
well.
yeah.
Yep, they like Pontiacs as well. So guys, again, we have here a very rare car. 1978 Trans Am SE in black. And John, you have anything else to say?
No, that's it.
All right, guys, it's Jerry Middleman Battaglia out here in Long Island, New York. Please like and share this video. Subscribe to our channel. Hit that bell notification with more classic car videos coming to you. Have a great day.